Hi all, welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insights. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of Wipro for November and December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will see the fundamental analysis of the company. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for Wipro for next few weeks or few months. Then we will do manual analysis of the same using some charts, indicator, OA and FA and DA data. And this is introduction to Wipro. So we know like Wipro is a very large cap company with more than 3.5 lakh crore market cap, and its current price is around 630, and its all-time high was around 740, and its stock PE is around 28, which is a good one, and it's comparable with other IT enterprise like TCS and Infosys. And we know like Wipro is the third largest IT employer in India. And this is the sale quarterly results of Wipro. So here we can see like Wipro sales has been improved very good in past quarters, and its profit before and after tax also is a good one and keep on improving. And this is a profit and loss yearly wise. So here we can see like there is a considerable growth has happened in yearly sales, and profit also is improved very good over the years, and profit before tax and after tax has been improved over the years. And Wipro used to give a very good dividend over the past few years. So this is the data we have taken into our machine learning algorithm. We have taken data from 2018 Jan 1st onwards till 2021 November 24th. So before COVID and all, we can see Wipro was almost flat, but after COVID, entire world is moving through towards digitalization. So we can see like the all IT companies and Wipro also is a very good uptrend after COVID-19 lockdowns. And this is what our algorithm is predicted. So as per algorithm, this particular zone might act as a support around 630 or 600. So we can enter here, and first target we can set around here like 740 or 750, and second target we can set around here like 850 or something. So this channel we can set around the target. So this is the enlarged one. So either we can enter around here like 600 or 630, or we can safer side we can enter above this one. And first target we can set around here, and second target we can set around here. And Wipro is a very good stock for long term as well. So this is the candlesticks chart we have taken from Chartlink. So here we can see like Wipro is either moving along its 30 moving average or 50 moving average. And so here we can see like multiple times it is got a support at the 50 moving average. So currently 50 moving average is stay around 650. So risk traders can enter here like around 630 or 610, or for a safer side we can enter around 675 or something. And the first target we can set as all-time high around 740 and second target we can set around 750 or 775. So this is the weekly chart. So weekly chart we can see it is moving along with the 10 moving average, but currently it is dealing below 10 moving average. So here we can expect some consolidation might happen. So for a safer side we can either we can enter above this particular candle like above 675, or we can wait for 1 or 2 weeks, and as this 2 weeks high is broken here, then we can enter. So we can set our first target here like around 750, and second target we can set around 775. So this is the OIA data we have taken for Nifty for 2nd December for from Opstra. So here we can see like in November third week and all, there was a huge call sell was happened, but now the call sell has been reduced, and there are some resistance around 18,000 and 18,500, but the put option sell got increased very good. So we are expecting some better movements in Nifty. Nifty might close around this level in next week. We are expecting like around 17,600 to 17,800. And this is data for 30th December for Nifty. So here we can see like there are resistance around 18,000 and 18,500, but the call option sell volume is very less compared to put option sell. So by end of December, we are expecting Nifty might cross its 18,000 resistance mark and may trade around this level, like below 18,500. We are expecting by December end. And this is OA data we have taken for Wipro for 30th December. So here we can see like there are some resistance at 650 and 700. So it is safe to enter above 650, and we can target in this particular gap. We can set our first target, and after 700 closed, we can set our second target as 750 or 775. And this is FIA and DA net sell we have taken from Ostra. So in October end there was a huge sell has happened, and November first week we have seen some better movements in Nifty. FIA and DA started buying, and sell was much lesser than what happened in October. But in the third week of November we see like there are some high volume of sell has happened, and that sell has been reduced, and as per OA data we have observed like there are some better movements we are expecting. So by November end or December we are expecting FA and DA will start buying. And this is monthly data also we have seen the after Nifty touched its all-time high as 18,600, there was a huge sell happen in October, but in November the sell volume has been reduced, and in December we are expecting some buy. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.